In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make 3D text in Adobe Illustrator using the built-in 3D and materials feature. This is one of the easiest ways to create eye-catching, professional-looking 3D typography for logos, posters, social media graphics, thumbnails, and more. The best part is, you don't need any external plugins or complicated tools. Everything we're using is built directly into Illustrator. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share a few quick tips to make your 3D text look even better. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar and select the Type tool, or simply press T on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click anywhere on your artboard and type the text you want to turn into 3D. You can use any font you like, but for stronger 3D results, I recommend using a bold or thick font because it gives the extrusion more visual impact. After typing your text, you can adjust the font size and spacing from the top control panel to make sure it looks exactly how you want before applying the effect. Next, use the Selection tool, which you can access by pressing V, and click on your text to make sure it is selected. This step is very important because the 3D effect will only apply to the object that is currently selected. With your text selected, go to the top menu, click on Effect, then hover over 3D and Materials and choose Extrude and Bevel. As soon as you click it, a 3D panel will open and you'll instantly see a live preview of your text in 3D. Now let's adjust the depth to control the thickness of your 3D text. In the 3D panel, find the depth slider under the Extrude section. Drag the slider to the right to increase the thickness or to the left to make it thinner. The higher the depth value, the more dramatic and extended your 3D effect will look. Take a moment to experiment with this until you find a thickness that matches your design style. After setting the depth, you can rotate the object to change the viewing angle. In the same 3D panel, use the rotation controls. You can either drag directly on the on-screen 3D widget or manually adjust the X, Y, and Z rotation values. Rotating slightly on the X and Y axis usually gives a more dynamic and realistic perspective. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so try subtle rotations first before going extreme. You can also explore lighting options inside the 3D and Materials panel to enhance the effect. Adjusting the light intensity or direction can add more dimension and realism to your text. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply click OK to apply the 3D effect to your text. And that's it! You've successfully created 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. The great thing about using this method is that the effect remains editable. You can always go back to the Appearance panel, click on the 3D effect, and tweak the settings whenever you need. Before you go, here's a quick bonus tip. If you want even more control, you can expand the appearance and further customize colors, gradients, or strokes on different faces of the 3D object. That opens up even more creative possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.